Welcome students. In this video we're going to try to find the inverse of the function of f of x equals sine of x. So we have the function f of x equals sine of x, and we're going to try to find the inverse of f of x. So we know that f of x, we're going to concentrate in the domain pi x greater than or equal to pi and less than or equal to 2 pi, because sine of x is cyclic and not one-to-one over its entire range. But by restricting the domain to this one here, to this range, the function becomes one-to-one and invertible. So in this range, f of x decreases from 0 to -1. Thus the range is -1, 0. So to find the inverse, we're going to switch sine of x, and we're going to let x equals sine of y. So then the way we do it is we're going to take the inverse we switch x and y, and we solve for y. The way we're going to solve for y is we take the inverse arc sine of x equal arc sine of y. So this becomes y. So arc sine of x equals y. So we know that the range of f of x is -1 to 0, as we said, and then we know that the inverse function will map the range back to -pi/2, 0. Let's look at the graphs to see this better. So I created a program, a MATLAB program, but right now I'm using Octave, so you can download this program to plot stuff and do kind of MATLAB stuff. So I'm going to plot it. I use this programming stuff and I plot it. So I plot of sine and inverse sine. So the blue is the sine. So we were doing between pi and 2 pi. So between pi and 2 pi. So it decreases from, and then we have 0 to -0 to -1, I mean the y, from 0 to 2 pi, and then the y goes from 0 to -1. So this is how it looks. The function sine is decreasing, and then your inverse looks like this one like this. This is your arc sine. Goes like this when you plot it. So it says the graph of f of x will be decreasing starting from pi 0. So pi 0 here will be decreasing and ending at 2 pi 0. It will end here. And the minimum will be at 3 pi over 2 -1. So it will be at 3 pi over 2, it will be here. And the graph of f inverse, the graph of the inverse will be a reflection of the sine segment across the line y equals x. It will pass to points like 0 pi and -1, 3 pi over 2, and 0, 2 pi. So I hope you learned a lot. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Thank you.